Hello, everybody. This is Cindy from Moonfire Studios. Just kidding. This is Mr. Moonfire. I'm doing a voiceover today. I've never done one of these, so this should be interesting. What do we have here? It's paper from what that link just said. It has a bell on it. That bell goes ding, ding, ding. And this is from Sizzix. Sizzix is a popular brand that most of you probably know. This is the barcode. It says phone stand by Eileen Hall. Hi, Eileen Hall. How are you? Fantastic. Unless you said bad, in which case I'm sorry. Alright, so we've got what looks to be some foamy stuff here. And we're going to punch it? Nope, it's going to disappear. Okay, jump cut. Alright, here we go. Let's peel some shit. Stuff. Let's peel some stuff. Seriously, let's peel some stuff. Okay. Alright, looks like we aren't going to do that now. Okay, moving on to what looks like to be wedding cake stands. Or doily boxes. I don't know. There's a ribbon on that box. It's special. And from behind it came a floppy doodle. Okay. Mat board. There we go. Number 656492. In case you missed that, that's your fault. Oh, we're peeling again. Let's peel and peel. This time we got to actually peel. That's great. And this thing is going wonky-ish, but that's okay. Because look, that's kind of neat. It's like dink, 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 dink. Like 1980s are right back in action. Okay, we put something on here. Now we're going to take this phone case and go over top of it. And then we're going to peel some more. Oh, we got a knife. Do not cut yourself when using sharp utensils. Obey the fingernails on her hand. Stay very far away from that razor blade. Shit. Because the blade will make you bleed. Okay, and here we go. We've got more cutting to do. Alright, and then she's going to slice that open. Okay, and we're golden. It looks like we're ready to do something else now. I think she took measurements or something. I don't know. I've never really seen her use a ruler. Okay, we're going to take the royal crowns. What are we going to do with royal crowns? I don't know. Okay, we're going to take this machine thing here that looks like it's like the He-Man of all laminators. And before we do anything with that, we're going to punch out all these little clippity thingies. Are we making a Death Star?
A phone stand.
Oh, we're still making a phone stand. Okay. Okay, we're bending. It's like Transformers, man. Okay, now we're going to push this down. Therefore, it becomes a triangle. Oh, it came undone. I'm sorry I failed you people. Your Death Star phone stand will not be functioning at this moment in time. Okay, and we're going to push this through there. And that's going to create the part where your phone goes in. That's your phone holder of your phone stand. Alright, let's bend some more shit. Okay, yeah, we're doing that really well. She is great at bending. Anybody with their mind in the gutter, you suck. Okay. Man, look at those nails. They're like shiny and like stabby and sharp, and I can attest they kind of hurt, but okay, we're back to the royal crowns. Alright, cool. We're going to make this one British. No, we're not. What the hell are we going to do with the crowns? Okay, we're putting something through. There goes a phone. I don't care. Go away, phone. And then we're going to... Okay, we peeled some more stuff. Alright, cool. Does anybody else notice that the machine just magically disappeared for no reason? Like, we didn't even use it.
Yes, we did.
Now she's got like some dental pick and she's trying to like kill things. Man, crafters have the strangest tools. And we're back to the knife. Okay, let's cut more stuff. All right. All right. Now look, there's the royal crowns. We're making a royal crown kind of phone stand. Or are those ships? I don't know.
They're crowns.
They're crowns. Okay. I was right. I'm good. Proof, once again, I am not fully blind. Okay, let's, okay, here's the fun thing. We're going to use the phone case. We're going to smooth things out. Cutting stuff. All right, that's an X-Acto knife. But it's really, really large. Kind of strange. All right.
An ergonomic handle.
An ergonomic handle. So you don't get PTSD of the wrist. What the hell is that stuff called? Carpal tunnel syndrome. That's it. All right. Hey, look, she put a phone in it. It almost fulfilled its purpose. There it is again. Oh, Marco's paper crap. All right, what do we got here? Transparency film. Okay. Oh, look, you can see through it because it's transparent. Now we're going to super cut the crap out of what might either be an angel or a fairy. I don't know. It's spinning so fast. What the hell?
It's an angel frame.
It's an angel frame. No longer a frame. Now it's just kind of cut up. Oh, wait. There's more to it. Okay, I see it now. It's all... Okay, it was bent. I couldn't see it. Well, that's neat. That's the fastest cutting I've ever seen.
That's because it's sped up.
And this is sped up. All right, now we're cutting stuff with this cutter majigger. And then we're going to do this over here. Okay, and we have Fabri-Tac. That's glue. I know that. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot, dot. And crafters in their glue. You all love that stuff. And that's good because, you know, it does kind of work as an adhesive. See, I know crafting stuff too. Sort of. Oh, time to cut again. Zoom, zoom. And she's almost done, I think. We might be halfway there. Look at her go. Man, it's like watching a cartoon. Eventually, she's going to finish this. She showed you how to cut it. Okay, there you go. That's how. All right, now we're going to put a frame over top. Oh, I see what she's doing. That's kind of cool. All right. Harmony Water-reactive dye ink. Friar Brown. Not to be confused with Friar Tuck. Both of them, however, have the same color brown. Friar Tuck on his robes. The solution stuff there with ink? Is that ink?
Yeah.
Okay, it's ink. All right. Oh, we got the cutter out again. Slice. Also, be careful of that thing. It can hurt. That's by Crafter Companion.
Oh, very good.
The Slicer Dicer. What do you mean very good at? I can read. Apparently my wife doesn't believe that I can read. And I've read to you all before, so you know I can. Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe this video because I said so. And I like to think that people listen to me, even though they don't. Then hit that little bell thing too if it's still there. I don't know. If it is, that's a notification. Don't hit the bell on the screen though, because you'll probably break that one. Don't do that. Oh, shit, I almost broke it. Okay. It's okay. Look at that. It's a phone stand. That's pretty cool. All right. Now she has to put a phone in it to make sure it works. There we go. Look at that. It's a puffer ball. Neat. Well, that's kind of cool. That's crafting at its finest. All right. Well, I want to thank everyone for tuning in and listening to me once again ramble on about stuff I have no idea about. And I wish you all a fantastic day. So make sure As always, be well and be wonderful.